8 detox secrets to cleanse your kidneys overnight. You're starting your day like any other, coffee in hand, checking emails, and heading into a busy meeting. Suddenly, a sharp pain in your side interrupts your routine. At first, you dismiss it as stress or fatigue, but deep down, a silent alarm rings. Over 850 million people worldwide are unknowingly battling kidney disease, a hidden crisis that can turn an ordinary day into a disaster. What if that mild discomfort was the first warning sign of a life-altering problem? What if you could hit the reset button overnight, a natural detox that gives your kidneys a fresh start? Stay with me till the end to learn 8 detox secrets to cleanse your kidneys overnight. How kidneys works. Our kidneys are small but mighty organs. They are responsible for filtering about 200 quarts of blood daily, removing toxins, excess water, and waste products. In addition to filtering blood, they help regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and maintain overall fluid balance in the body. Without efficient kidney function, toxins accumulate, which can lead to severe health complications such as kidney stones, infections, and even kidney failure. Understanding how the kidneys work is essential. They ensure that our internal environment remains stable, allowing other organs, like the liver and heart, to function optimally. This explains why keeping your kidneys healthy is paramount for overall wellness. Why cleanse your kidneys? Cleaning the kidneys is not just a trend, it's a preventive strategy. When your kidneys are overburdened, their ability to filter blood starts to decline, and harmful substances can begin to build up. A regular kidney cleanse gives your body a gentle boost by helping to flush out these toxins. This process can enhance toxin elimination, meaning your body is better equipped to get rid of waste. It also helps reduce inflammation, which can ease any discomfort and prevent long-term damage. With a cleaner system, your body is able to absorb nutrients more efficiently, ensuring that every meal works harder for you. And by keeping mineral buildup in check, a cleanse even helps prevent the formation of kidney stones, a common and painful problem. Many experts believe that adding natural cleansing agents into your routine can restore your kidneys to their best state. These aren't extreme detox diets. Rather, they're simple adjustments that support your body's natural processes. With smart nutrition and plenty of hydration, you can reduce everyday symptoms like bloating, fatigue, and even minor hormonal imbalances. In essence, cleansing your kidneys is about giving your body the care it deserves, ensuring that these vital organs continue to work efficiently and keep you feeling your best. Common causes and blunders leading to kidney issues. Even though your kidneys are designed to handle a lot, everyday choices can put them under unnecessary stress. One of the simplest mistakes is not drinking enough water. When you're dehydrated, your urine becomes concentrated, and waste products can start to clump together, eventually forming kidney stones. Then there's our modern diet. Eating too much salt, sugar, or protein-rich processed foods can overwhelm your kidneys with extra work. Many of us also rely on over-the-counter painkillers like ibuprofen or aspirin without proper guidance, and over time, this can slowly damage your kidneys. On top of that, conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or even urinary tract infections add more stress to these vital organs. Sometimes, we ignore early warning signs or skip regular medical checkups, thinking that nothing's wrong until it's too late. Simple blunders like neglecting hydration, self-medicating without advice, or overdoing protein supplements can have a cumulative negative effect on your kidney health. Recognizing the symptoms of kidney problems. Your body is pretty good at sending signals when something isn't right, and your kidneys are no exception. You might start noticing a dull or sharp pain in your lower back, sides, or abdomen, a common sign that your kidneys are struggling. Changes in your bathroom habits can also be a red flag. For example, if you feel the urge to go more often than usual, experience pain while urinating, or see blood in your urine, it's a sign to pay attention. Some people might also feel nauseous or even vomit when toxins build up, while others experience swelling in the legs, ankles, or around the eyes because the body is holding on to extra fluid. Fatigue and weakness can also creep in, making you feel drained even after a full night's sleep. And sometimes your blood pressure might rise unexpectedly. Recognizing these symptoms early on is crucial so you can get the help you need before more serious problems develop. Natural methods to cleanse and support kidney health. Ready to wake up feeling refreshed? Check out these 8 simple detox secrets that naturally boost your kidney function and flush out toxins overnight. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular natural remedy that helps prevent oxidative stress on the kidneys. It works by boosting the levels of antioxidants, enzymes in your body, balancing blood sugar, and lowering blood pressure, all of which contribute to a healthier kidney environment. Its natural citric acid content even helps to dissolve kidney stones, and frequent use can flush toxins from your kidneys over time. 2. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are not only named for their resemblance to your kidneys, but they also offer nutritional benefits that help clear waste. Rich in vitamin B, fiber, and essential minerals, these beans support the removal of toxins and help maintain the smooth functioning of the urinary tract. Eating kidney beans regularly can give your kidneys a natural boost. 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice, with its natural acidity, plays an important role in preventing kidney stone formation. It works by increasing the levels of citrate in urine, which discourages the buildup of stones. Regularly drinking diluted lemon juice helps filter your blood and flush out toxins. And for those who already have kidney stones, combining lemon with a bit of olive oil can help ease their passage. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious and hydrating fruit that acts as a mild diuretic. It helps to cleanse your kidneys by encouraging the flow of water through your system, which flushes out waste products. In addition, watermelon is rich in lycopene, which supports cardiovascular health, and its high potassium content helps regulate the acidity of urine, reducing the risk of stone formation. 5. Pomegranate. Both the juice and seeds of pomegranate are excellent for kidney health because they provide a substantial amount of potassium. This mineral helps lower urine acidity and prevents the formation of kidney stones by curbing the crystallization of minerals. Regular consumption of pomegranate can support the natural cleansing of the kidneys, making it a great addition to your diet. 6. Basil. Basil is an herb known for its natural diuretic properties, which means it helps your body produce more urine and flush out toxins. The eugenol in it not only aids in breaking down kidney stones, but also reduces the levels of uric acid in the blood, which can be beneficial for kidney health. Moreover, basil's essential oils and acetic acid contribute to smoother kidney function and even act as a natural pain reliever. 7. Dates. Soaked dates, when eaten without the seeds, are believed to help dissolve kidney stones and assist in their removal. Dates are high in fiber, which aids in flushing out toxins and reducing the risk of stone formation. They also contain magnesium, which plays a role in cleansing the kidneys, making them a nutritious and natural remedy for kidney health. 8. Dandelion. Dandelion, whether consumed as a tea made from its dried leaves or as a fresh root extract, acts as a natural kidney tonic. One study showed an increased urine output after 2 1-cup servings of dandelion tea made from the leaves of the plant. It not only cleanses the kidneys by promoting the elimination of waste, but also stimulates bile production, which helps improve digestion. This dual action ensures that fewer toxins reach your kidneys, thereby supporting their overall function. Additional natural cleansing agents. Besides the 8 methods mentioned, there are other natural agents that can help maintain kidney health. Cranberry juice is widely known for supporting the urinary tract and fighting infections while also removing excess calcium oxalate, a common contributor to kidney stones. Beets and their juices contain betaine, which increases urine acidity and helps prevent the buildup of minerals like struvite and calcium phosphate. Other effective options include coconut water, cucumber juice, and cherries, all of which contribute to a balanced, toxin-free environment for your kidneys. These natural methods, when combined with a healthy diet and proper hydration, offer a gentle yet effective way to support your kidneys. Lifestyle tips for long-term kidney health. Taking care of your kidneys is about making smart daily choices. Drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 8-ounce glasses a day or more if you're active or live in a hot climate to help flush out toxins. Eat a balanced diet full of whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and cut back on processed foods high in salt and sugar. Stay active with regular exercise to boost blood flow and manage stress. And don't forget your routine checkups to catch any issues early. Lastly, use over-the-counter painkillers sparingly to avoid extra strain on your kidneys. Conclusion: we've covered a lot today, from the everyday choices that can strain your kidneys to the natural remedies that can help keep them healthy. Remember, taking care of your kidneys not just about preventing problems, it's about taking control of your overall health for the long run. Always keep in mind that your healthcare provider is a valuable partner on this journey. Now keep exploring, stay curious, and let's work together toward feeling our best every day. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.